Back at Universal Studios Hollywood, gotta start with Woody Parking Lot Project. Wow. Last time I was here, it was just like a little chunk of the concrete that was opened. They've done a lot now. Look at this. Damn. I'm assuming all of this will get done. This will just be a dirt field for whatever project's coming. But they're moving fast. Holy macaroni. We saw the signage for Popcornopolis leave. Sparky's is now gone. Whoa. What's gonna come here? I wasn't sure if we were gonna be coming today or not because of Speculation Sunday, but we're moving it to Monday. And come to find out, Universal closes at 6 on this beautiful Sunday. For some reason, I thought it would be like at 8 o'clock, but no, they're closing at 6 today. How does it feel to be back at Universal?
Feels like I was just here, you know, last weekend. But it's nice. This is like beautiful weather. I can't get any better. It sucks that it closes so early.
I know. I was hoping to be here till like 7 or 8.
7, yeah. We were thinking like 7 or 8, and it's 6.
Yeah.
So.
We're gonna be taking the Max Rooney to his favorite ride studio tour today. Yay. But first, we gotta go to the studio store and get ourselves the Back to the Future magnet. Oh. Just got our past member magnets. These are themed to Back to the Future. Most importantly, Fan Fest, which I can't wait to do. It's gonna be a lot of fun. How about you make like a tree and get out of here? But you just have to show your pass member like your QR code for your pass, and they give you one of these. No purchase necessary. But I want to talk about real quick, there's a scavenger hunt paper that they gave us. Look at all these things to find. How cool is that? Wow, they're out here removing scaffolding. How crazy. So are they just done with this section? They're moving so fast. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Take a look at it.
Look at how close you're gonna be to the ground. Do you see how close? That can't be right.
No, that's what it's gonna be.
Maybe they're gonna take out some of this dirt because you're literally in the dirt. Do you see that?
All right, what do you think about this loopage action right here? Like we haven't had a chance to like, you know, ask other than like my close friends. What is your thoughts?
Mondo, this is just straight like, this is gonna, you know.
All right, let's see if anything new has happened. We were here not that long ago, so I don't expect much. Wow, a lot of focus happening here now. One thing I did notice, we have some new track. The big deal that was just a couple days ago was the track went over the escalators right here. We'll get a better look in a little bit. But the track in between all this madness right there, that track, that's brand new. Is that going this way? I'm guessing it's that right there. Wow, this is just nuts. Every piece that gets on, that keeps getting added to this, just blows you away. Just blows you away. Wow. Just wanted to look at the far end of the ride. That's all just waiting, chilling for some crazy track to come. But more supports are right here. Yeah, next week. Just imagine the progress, like in February. Like a lot of this craziness, this is just January. This is just January. Imagine what's gonna happen here by the end of February. Sheesh. All right, let's keep this party going. We can't come to Parisian Courtyard without buying these things. You got me addicted.
I do. It's so funny because he like.
And they're only $1.50 and you get your AP discount. These are like the best deal ever.
Mondo one time he was like, "I'll meet you later. I'm gonna go film." And so me, of course, I'm gonna go shopping. And I get these. He's like, "Don't spend money." And I get them, and he's like, "We gotta go get some more macarons."
No, these are great. They're so good.
How do you say it? Macarons?
Macaron.
Macarons?
Oh my gosh, we're fighting the clock. We got like 3 minutes. I didn't know the last studio tour was 4:15. I thought it was 4:30. Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more, no more, no more.
Video issues reach up and pull that red cord. I'll be back to assist you as soon as it's safe. Timeline. These original movie posters on the right side of the track. Just a few examples of the more than 8,000. But don't they look a lot more like warehouse lighting? Because at the time, electrical lighting wasn't powerful enough to light a movie. Here we are cruising around an electric tram. Come a long way. Pretty soon our whole fleet
continues at Universal Studios Hollywood, where you can experience photo ops, props, and costumes from the film, and fun bites and drinks from Shiz and Emerald City. But first, here's a look at Wicked.
Ah! Whoa! And the front's crazy. Oh. Whoa.
That like months ago. Did you believe me when I told you?
Wow, the first tram on the studio tour it's like earthquake on the in the front. King Kong, we're just like, God, dude, that was so intense. Wow.
Pretty spectacular spray paint mural over here on the right, commemorating our classic monster movies. A guy named Tristan Heaton, who started out here in LA tagging dumpsters and buildings, and now he's worked all over the world. Looking very pleasant and quaint compliments of the good place, but that wasn't always so. The Court of Miracles is where many of the famous monsters got their start. It got its name from the Parisian Square in the novel The Hunchback of Notre Dame, made into a movie in 1923, over 100 years ago. And that's what kicked off the monster movie craze. Sometimes, well, some of these have become just as famous as the stars who've driven them. There's a lot of them. I'm not going to be able to talk about everybody. Let's go with some of my faves. Oh, the Magnum PI Ferrari. That's what I'd like to get behind the wheel. I've never driven a Ferrari. The Flintstones put me in a yubba-dubba-doo kind of mood. One of Vin Diesel's Chargers from the Fast and the Furious.
Doing the studio tour at night is so awesome, and the fire came back to Jaws, so how cool is that? All right, we're gonna keep going with some Fast and Furious updates. Look at this. Look at this. Over the escalator, so beautiful. Big update for today is that the track has now gone into this section. I don't even know what to call that, but wow. They move so fast. It's just unbelievable, the progress that happens out here. Look at all this just in this little section right here. So much going on. All right, let's get some better looks. I'm always curious what's going on with the escalator hillside. I don't know if these have been here before, like the last couple weeks, but there's like flags now that have been put up. Let me zoom in a little more. There we go. Maybe those have been there. Maybe they've been there, but they caught my eye today. Look at all that beautiful twisting and turning going on right here. Every time I look at that, I'm always like, that's gonna be the craziest thing I ever do. But there's some rumors going on that we could see this track happening right here. That. And the reason why this track that just got added, so you're gonna be going like that into that. So I guess that completion could happen very, very soon. You know, I don't doubt, man. February is gonna be nuts. For all the stuff that we've seen come to life here just in January, February, hopefully we get good weather. You know, that's the big thing that we gotta pray to the weather gods. But once that piece goes up, my gosh, I want a poster of all this. Imagine a cool poster of just this. Here's a better look at that track that got added right there. That's going to be all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We'll be back for sure next week, probably multiple times, because the way things are heating up with the coaster, it's just insane. And I want to keep my eyes too if any like fan fest stuff starts happening. You never know. Now that we're in February, there's not much time before April, so we'll keep a close eye on all the fan fest updates. But thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button. Barney. Done.